Hi, third grade. We are here with a new science lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn from the past. We will look at things from long ago and fossils. Let's start with our STEM career connection. This career is a museum curator. A museum curator works at a museum. They build interesting displays of artifacts and information so that we can learn more about our world and everything in it. You can find and learn many things at a museum. There's art and historical artifacts. Many museums even have fossils from organisms that have lived thousands and even millions of years ago. Now let's learn some vocabulary. Our first word is the word endangered. We use the word endangered when one of an organism has very few of its kind left on Earth. In this picture, we can see several different animals that are endangered, meaning there are very few of these types of animals left on Earth. The next word is extinct. Extinct is when there are no more of an organism's kind left on Earth. In this picture example, we see some organisms that have gone extinct, so there are no more of this kind of organism left on Earth. Some examples of animals that have gone extinct are the dodo bird, the woolly mammoth, the saber-toothed tiger, and dinosaurs. Plants also go extinct. This plant is called the Cooksonia. This plant is extinct, so there are no more of this type of plant on Earth. So animals that are endangered are at risk for becoming extinct. There are a couple different reasons why animals become endangered and sometimes extinct. They might lose their habitat, have widespread diseases, or become overhunted. Many times, human actions endanger animal species. Humans can overhunt animals or overpluck plants. Humans also destroy habitats by cutting down too many trees and forests to build buildings and plant crops. However, humans can help and prevent animals and other organisms from becoming endangered or extinct by passing laws to protect the animals and their habitats. This next word is the word skeleton. A skeleton is the bones that support the body. In this picture, we can see different skeletons that belong to different animals. This vocabulary word is the word fossil. A fossil is the trace of remains of something that lived long ago. Fossils can be shells, bones, skin, leaves, or even footprints. They can form in several different ways. There are trace fossils, preserved remains, molds and casts, and fossils in stone. This vocabulary word is the word paleontologist. A paleontologist is a scientist who studies fossils. A micropaleontologist studies the smallest organisms that lived on the Earth in prehistoric times. If you're interested in dinosaurs and other forms of prehistoric life, a job in the field of paleontology might be for you. Paleontologists are scientists who study fossils to find out about life and climates of Earth long ago. Paleontologists work in many places, including dig sites, museums, and laboratories. Paleontology ties together many areas of science, including geology, botany, and biology. Someone who wishes to become a paleontologist should expect to take many different types of science classes and to be proficient in computer science. So, if you like dinosaurs, science, and computers, you might want to think about becoming a paleontologist. Now that we've learned our vocabulary, let's hop on over to a video about things from long ago.
Let us travel through time using pencil and paper to visit some modern animals and some of their extinct relatives. The super crocodile, or the Sarcosuchus imperator, was a huge reptile that lived in what is now called Africa, approximately 110 million years ago. This ancient crocodile-like creature grew to a length of 12 meters and weighed approximately 9 metric tons. Today, modern crocodiles are much smaller, averaging 2 to 5 meters in length, but they are hunters and would scare me. Mammoths were elephant-like animals that lived approximately 2 million years ago. They had woolly coats and very large tusks. These giants grew to a height of about 4 meters and weighed almost 10 metric tons. That is like 6.5 cars stacked up. Modern elephants are different than mammoths. They have tough, dry skin and no woolly coat. They do have a trunk and tusks, like the mammoth did. Chances are you've seen modern elephants on television or at the zoo. Saber-toothed tiger lived about 10,000 years ago. The saber-toothed tiger was about the same size as today's lion, but it was almost twice as heavy. Of course, it had a larger set of teeth than today's big cats. Modern big cats, such as lions or tigers, are slightly longer and slimmer than their extinct cousin, the saber-toothed tiger. They have much smaller teeth, too. But make no mistake, our big cats living today are dangerous hunters as well. Of course, how can we not talk about a favorite extinct animal, the dinosaur? The most recognizable dinosaur species is the fearsome Tyrannosaurus. This dinosaur was 12 meters long and weighed over 7 metric tons, with 20-centimeter long razor-sharp teeth. Many T-Rex fossils were found in South Dakota. Some scientists think that the T-Rex was a scavenger, eating the meat that other animals left behind. Most scientists believe that dinosaurs were related to modern birds. Let us compare a T-Rex to a modern bird scavenger, the vulture. It is quite a difference. The vulture has a wingspan of 3 meters and circles the sky above the dry desert looking for food. Its long neck and long hooked beak make for easy scavenging. Move over, T-Rex. There are some amazing animals that have lived on Earth over time, and many that still do. Have fun trying to learn all you can about animals.
All right, boys and girls, that's our lesson on things from long ago and fossils. Thanks for watching and learning with me today. Bye for now.